Alrighty, traders, George here, and time for a look at the week ahead. We're already through most of Monday here, and I just want to show you a few things on my radar. For starters, oil. Oil's chopping up quite a bit after its big punch off of the upper 30s here. So for the month of September, we've really had quite a long sideways movement compared to just about everything else that's been through for the last multiple months. There is a lot of trading commitment here from about 44 up to about 46. This is a balance beam here, and this is the most dominant one. We're currently over 46s right here, so I've painted a long scenario a little bit higher, 46.51s. The trading commitment really starts to taper off here, looking at 47, 60, 49, 23, and 52.45 for the third zone up here. There's not as much trading commitment here, so over 49s could actually see a big pop in oil that could catch some shorts off guard. If we're able to pop up a little higher here, I'm looking to get up almost to 54 to see a key resistance swing put in that could create a fantastic fade, but that's a bit of predictive analysis up to that point. Lower from where we are right here, we're really driving into a lot of heavy trading commitment, so it makes the trading a little bit more aggressive to be going short here. But to paint that picture, below 46, that's not holding, so a little bit lower there. 45.74s really driving to the pinnacle of this balance beam here, this spike at 44.80s. So almost $1 lower for that first target, and then to the lower 44s, 44.28, and then trading below this balance beam altogether, the first ledge here comes in at 43.35s. Make a note here, you've got this guy here in the low 42s and this guy here in the upper 40s. Those would be the next two key targets if we really break down here. But the bulls are really trying to own this top line here of 46, and we'll see if that can press forward here. We've got oil inventories on Wednesday. We've got FOMC minutes on Thursday, so maybe a couple of events there might help the process either way. Over 46.26 starts this process, but it's already over that level here. That's pretty much all I need to say about oil. I'll talk about this more in the live room, but let me move over to gold now. I've already got this arrangement spelled out here for gold. We're at 35.10s right now. Look to the left, we've got a balance beam here that is just sort of stuck in the middle of a larger scale channel. All right, so there's some fair trading commitment that's here. It sort of tapers off until it spikes up here, and likewise down to the 11.20s. So looking to break above or below this zone here to set up trade direction. So 1136.50s north, 1131.90 south. These key targets below, they're basically the most focal balance beam points here where the heaviest trading commitment is, and likewise moving up 46s, 54s, and 76s. What gold has got going for it and against it is that it's made a very good directional impulse here. It's just had a really deep retrace and a lower high. So the best job for the bulls would have been just to continue this thing and move out. And likewise, the best move for the bears would have been to start trading and staying below this level and then take this guy out. They had a great pop north here just the other day, and that could set up a phase two to go up and tag these targets here. There might be some chop around both the oil and the gold setups that I'm showing you here, so keep in mind re-entries over those levels if they present themselves. Balance beam traders, you know what I'm talking about. Use the link at the bottom of the video. Hop in the live room. You can watch me day trade some of the markets and also do some big picture analysis like you see here on the balance beam model. But I just want to give you a little bit of a heads up for gold and oil for the next 4 days or so. All right, that'll do it for your look ahead for the week, and we'll see you back in the live room.